Hip hinge with dowel. Start with your feet slightly wider than hips width apart, pointing almost straight ahead. We're going to place the dowel on your back so there's 3 points of contact. Your tailbone, in between your shoulder blades, and the back of your head. Soften your knees and then direct your hips back, keeping a long neutral spine. Press into the floor, stand back up. Soften the knees, press your hips back. If you don't have a dowel, a great way to do it is bring your thumb just beneath your belly button and the other thumb right to your sternum. Those two hands should keep the same spacing throughout. Hip hinge from the side. Feet are about hips width, pointing straight ahead. We're going to bring the dowel to have 3 points of contact with your back, your tailbone, in between your shoulder blades, and the back of your head. Bend your knees and shoot your hips back.